Hello everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for joining Term 2 classes. We had a great term with our younger students who chose their threatened species, which one class chose the hairy-nosed wombat, and I just want to show you some short videos of that process through where each student learned how to draw the wombat. They also learned about the tracking, so the footprints of the hairy-nosed wombat, and they created their own prints, and then they also created a beautiful design which included a night scene with using night colors and also the burrows that they create under the earth, and learned everything about the hairy-nosed wombat, which we'll be looking at entering into the Wild at Art competition, and hopefully having that particular artwork also on display at other events to bring awareness to threatened species. So have a look at the short clips with the process of students creating the group work and also creating their own individual artworks as well.